Welcome to this tutorial on creating a scroll bar animation in Figma using Smart Animate. In this guide, the process will start by directing you to open the Figma website. When you arrive at the home page, take a moment to orient yourself with the layout of the site before moving to the next step. Once the Figma website is loaded, look towards the top right corner where you will find the Login option. Clicking on Login will present you with several choices to access your account. Instead of the usual email and password login, choose the option that says Continue with Google. This method provides a seamless and efficient way to sign in, especially if you already use Google services regularly. After clicking Continue with Google, you will be prompted to select your preferred Google account for sign-in. Once you have chosen the right account, Figma will authenticate and take you directly into your workspace, setting the stage for the project work ahead. Having successfully signed in, your next instruction is to navigate directly to your project. This step is designed to ensure you are working on the correct file. Although a clickable link is available in the source instructions, simply remember to go to your project area on the Figma platform where you plan to create or modify your design. After you've entered your project, your workspace should now display all the relevant design boards and assets. With your project now open, locate the Assets section in the side panel. Clicking on Assets will open a library of available design components and kits. It is in this section where you can find a wide variety of pre-made elements that can speed up your design process. In particular, look for the Material 3 design kit offered within the Assets. Selecting the Material 3 design kit will bring up a collection of design elements that adhere to material guidelines, which are especially useful for modern and clean designs. After you have accessed the Material 3 design kit, type the word scroll into the search field provided in the Assets panel. This action filters the displayed options and specifically brings up elements related to scrolling, making it easier to locate the scrollable list component. Once the desired component has appeared, click and drag the scrollable list directly onto your project canvas. Be sure to position it exactly where you want to see your scroll bar animation in effect. The next stage of the process involves selecting all elements currently on your canvas. Once you have highlighted every object in your scene, use the shortcut control plus Alt plus K on your keyboard. This action groups or modifies the selected elements to prepare them for the animation adjustments that follow. Following this grouping step, add a frame around your selected components. The frame serves to define the boundaries of your animation and ensure that Smart Animate knows what parts of the design are active during transitions. With the frame in place, return to the Assets panel to access any additional components or to make further adjustments to your design if necessary. Now that you have all the elements organized, click and drag the specific scrollable list component from your assets into the newly created frame. This key action integrates the component into the animation framework. Finally, to see your work in action, locate and click the play button. This will launch the prototype view, allowing you to observe the scroll bar animation you've just set up using Smart Animate. By following these clear instructions step by step, you will have created a dynamic scroll bar animation that enhances your design project in Figma. Enjoy the process and experiment further with the various Smart Animate settings available within the tool.